What do you say about the snow, buddy? Do you like the snow?
Yes.
Is it awesome?
Yes.
Where are we right now?
Snow.
Are you catching snow on your tongue?
Yes.
Do you want to build a snowman?
Yes.
Like Frosty?
Yes. I'm at the North Pole.
You're at the North Pole. Is Santa here?
Yes. At the North Pole.
And his reindeer?
Yes.
What about Frosty?
Yes.
What does Frosty say? Georgie, Dad is getting cold. What do you say we go back to the cabin?
North Pole.
Do you want to go back to the cabin?
North Pole.
Have some hot cocoa? Do you want to go back now? Dad is cold. Can we go back? Are you catching snow?
Dad, it's at the North Pole.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
That's at the North Pole.
At the North Pole. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, everybody! Okay, Dada doesn't have a coat on and I'm freezing. Can we go home now? Please.